political development in Karnataka, Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, during a ceremony at Ranebennur in Haveri on Sunday, emphasized that the Congress party supports women's reservation but strongly opposes linking it with delimitation, alleging that such a move could lead to injustice for certain states. Siddaramaiah clarified that the party's opposition is only to the delimitation-linked provisions and not to women's reservation itself. He said the Congress has always supported reservation for women and reiterated, "We have never opposed women's reservation. I am making it very clear. We are not opposed to women's reservation," he said. The Chief Minister also referred to the 73rd and 74th constitutional amendments, stating that they were introduced during the tenure of former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi and questioned the BJP's role in women's reservation-related initiatives. Siddaramaiah further said the Women's Reservation Bill had already been passed in both the Rajya Sabha and the Lok Sabha in 2023. But it has now been linked with delimitation. He argued that delimitation could disproportionately benefit northern states like Uttar Pradesh in terms of parliamentary seats, while states like Karnataka may not see similar gains. Commenting on Prime Minister Narendra Modi's remarks, Siddaramaiah said political developments are being influenced by upcoming elections in Tamil Nadu and West Bengal. Meanwhile, referring to the Constitution 131st Amendment Bill, it was noted that Lok Sabha seats were proposed to be increased from 543 to 816 to implement women's reservation before the 2029 general elections, following a delimitation exercise. However, the bill was defeated in the Lok Sabha. In a related statement, Deputy Chief Minister DK Shivakumar also criticized the centre, saying it should have taken the opposition into confidence before introducing the Women's Reservation Amendment Bill. Speaking to the media in Bengaluru, he said, "This is democracy. This is not a Hitler-style rule. They cannot bring it in the middle of the elections and trying to alter entire constituencies." Shivakumar added that the government failed to consult opposition parties, which led to strong resistance. He described the opposition stand as a victory of democracy and questioned the timing and process of the bill's introduction. Overall, both leaders reiterated their support for women's reservation while opposing its linkage with delimitation and raising concerns over parliamentary procedure and federal representation.